Hello friends, I'm your own name. Welcome to our channel reviewing the latest developments in the world of technology. Today we will review the iPhone 16, which is making a big noise in the world of technology. With its new features, design, performance, and price, is this phone really worth buying? Or is there not much of a change compared to its predecessor? You will find the answers to all these questions in this video. If you're ready, let's do an in-depth review. 1. Design and material quality. First, let's take a look at the design. iPhone 16, like its predecessors, maintains an elegant and minimalist design approach. But this time, Apple has made significant improvements, especially in material quality and details. While the back of the phone comes with a matte finish, the corners have been made softer and ergonomic. When you hold it in your hand, you instantly get the premium feel. Apple has not neglected to use more environmentally friendly materials in this model. Both the aluminum frame and the glass surface are made of 100% recyclable materials. This is a plus point for environmentally conscious users. So, is there really anything new on the design side? Most of the design follows familiar lines from the iPhone 15, but there are some improvements in size and ergonomics. It feels more compact in the hand, while the screen ratio is slightly larger. 2. Display technology. Perhaps one of the most striking features of a phone is the quality of the display. In iPhone 16, Apple has taken display technology one step further. The 6.4-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display offers more vibrant colors and sharper details. The brightness of the display is incredibly impressive, especially when used in sunlight. Apple has increased the maximum brightness level up to 2000 nits. This ensures a clear viewing experience, even outdoors. Scrolling and animations are also much smoother thanks to 120 Hz ProMotion display technology. Another important innovation is the always-on display feature. This allows you to see the date, time, and notifications even when your screen is off. Moreover, this feature has a minimal impact on battery life. Third, performance, A17 Bionic chip. Of course, the most curious thing on the performance side is the new A17 Bionic chip. Like every year, Apple has taken performance one step further this year. The A17 is built on a 4-nanometer architecture, which means a faster and more efficient processor. In gaming performance, everyday use and multitasking, iPhone 16, outperforms other phones on the market. Games like PUBG and Call of Duty run smoothly even at high graphics settings. In addition, improvements to the graphics processor, GPU, are especially evident in AR, augmented reality apps and games. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning performances have also been significantly improved. This speeds up everyday tasks such as photo editing, voice recognition, and more. The rear camera has a resolution of 48 megapixels and gives impressive results even in low light with its f1.6 aperture. The new LiDAR sensor provides more accurate depth perception and bokeh, especially in portrait mode. Night mode offers much clearer photos with less noise while shooting faster. The front camera has a resolution of 12 megapixels and allows you to take more natural selfies with TrueDepth technology. It also offers a very high-quality video shooting experience for content producers thanks to 4K 60 FPS video recording. 5. Battery life and charging speed. Another important criterion is battery life. iPhone 16 has a battery capacity of 4,500 milliamp hours, which is enough for daily use. Apple promises a longer battery life thanks to the energy efficiency of the new generation A17 chip. Even with intensive use, you can easily last a day. In addition, this model supports 30-watt fast charging. It is possible to reach 50% charge level in just 25 minutes. Wireless charging speed has been increased to 20 watts. Compatible with Apple's MagSafe accessories, iPhone 16 offers a very flexible charging experience. 6. iOS 18 and new software features. iPhone 16 comes out of the box with iOS 18's operating system. iOS 18 brings great innovations, especially in terms of user experience. The new widget structure, customizable lock screen, and advanced privacy settings provide Apple users with a more flexible use. In addition, Face ID technology has been made much faster and more secure. Now you can unlock your device by recognizing your face even in landscape mode. With the new updates, the camera and photo editing tools have also become more powerful. 7. Pricing and conclusion. Is it worth buying? Finally, let's take a look at the price of the iPhone 16. As with every new model, Apple has moved up the price scale this year. The starting price of the iPhone 16 is $1,199. This may be a high price for many users, but is this phone worth buying? If you already have an iPhone 15 or 14, don't expect a huge upgrade. But if you're looking to upgrade from an older model, or if you're looking for high performance, an improved camera, and a better screen experience, the iPhone 16 could be the right choice for you. In conclusion, iPhone 16 is a model that will satisfy technology lovers with its performance, display, camera features, and premium design. However, it is important to evaluate the price per performance balance. Yes, friends, we have examined all the curious things about iPhone 16 in detail. So, what are your thoughts? iPhone, would you buy the 16, or would you prefer a different model? Don't forget to share your thoughts with us in the comments. If you liked our video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to be informed about our new videos. See you in the next video. Bye.